Hi guys, welcome to Nami's channel. Today we are going to make this mini snowflake together. It's really quick and simple, so let's start it. So first we need to do a magic ring just like this, and then we put our hook in, yarn over, and yarn over once again. The pattern for our first round is 6 single crochet. We then put our hook in and yarn over, go through the 2 loops at once. In here we can put a mark, and then we do 5 more single crochet. And then we close the circle by pulling this end. And then we take out our mark. In the mark place, we need to do a slip stitch. Put our hook in the mark place, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. And then we need to do 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the 3rd chain from hook, this is the first one, second one, the 3rd one. We put our hook in, and in here we do a slip stitch. We here pull our hook directly, and then we do 3 chain in the same place. This hole, we do 1 more slip stitch, and 3 chain again. In the whole place, we do a slip stitch, and then we do 2 chain, jump to the next stitch, second one, do a slip stitch, and then we do 5 chain here. Just repeat this part. In the 3rd stitch from a hook, do a slip stitch, and then 3 chain. In the whole place, do a slip stitch, 3 chain again, whole place, slip stitch, and then 2 chain here, jump to the next stitch, do a slip stitch. Then we're just going to repeat it 4 more times, 5 chain, and in the 3rd stitch from hook, slip stitch, then 3 chain, slip stitch, 3 chain, slip stitch again, and then 2 chain, jump to the next stitch here, do a slip stitch. Then we are going to repeat it 3 more times. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe me, and I will update at least once a week. So after the last 3 chain and slip stitch, we need to do 2 more chain, and then we are going to do a slip stitch in here. This is a slip stitch from our last round, this one. Put our hook in here, and then yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain, and then snip off. You can leave it just like this or add some little decoration. This is about today's video. Feel free to leave a comment below. I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.